Gain peace of mind knowing that the Postage provides an enterprise-level password manager that protects your most sensitive information from data breaches. Our bank-quality security safely guards passwords for all your online profiles, allowing you only to have to remember one password. Let's walk through how to secure your passwords with the Postage. On your dashboard, head over to the left side menu and select My Passwords. Here, you'll select the type of account that you'd like to store. You have the options of adding devices like phones, tablets, and computers, digital accounts like email accounts and social media accounts, financial accounts for checking savings, investment accounts, and home accounts like utility accounts, internet, cable, phone providers, and insurance. In this tutorial, we will add a password, but the other sections will follow the same procedure. Let's start by selecting the Add New Password button. Now, select your password type. Here, we can add a password by device, digital accounts, financial accounts, and home service accounts. I'll select financial account. Next, you will create an entry for each specific device or account. The more details you provide, the better the platform works for you. If you're adding a device, you'll be asked to provide the device name, password, and any notes or files related to the device. If you're adding an account, you'll be asked to provide the account name, the URL, your username, password, and any additional notes or files related to the account. The form does not automatically save, so you'll need to press the Add Account button. After the system secures your password within your account, you're taken to your table of passwords. If you'd like to update or delete a password, you'll click the Add or Delete button. Adding your passwords with the Postage saves time by allowing you only to remember one password for your important logins, credentials, and account details. Without this information, your digital life might continue even after you passed away, and your loved ones would experience unfortunate delays with closing down your online accounts. We hope this walkthrough was helpful to you and that you feel empowered to start planning and share how you're changing the way you plan for the future with those you love most. If you need further assistance, email us at help@thepostage.com.